How to send a GIF in WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view the chat list. Open any chat from the list. Then tap on the sticker icon on the chat box. It will show you a number of stickers. Now, tap on the GIF option right next to it. You will see different sorts of GIFs here. You can also search one by typing a keyword into the search bar. Here, I'm typing hi, and all the related GIF is being shown just under that. There will be varieties of options to choose from. Tap on any of it and you will be able to send it in the chat. So, by following these easy steps, you can send a GIF in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.